Hello my students, I am Shantanu. Welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video, I will discuss some more important idiomatic phrases for the competitive exams of 2022. The competitive exams will be held this year such as SSC, CGL, CPO, PSC, etc. etc. So kindly keep watching my videos regularly, subscribe to my channels and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more such video. If you have anything to know regarding this class that I am going to take, you can easily make your comments in the comments box. So kindly keep your eyes open and I am going to take my class. So keep your concentration on the board. Now look over the first question. A white elephant. Now what is the meaning of white elephant? That means white elephant is a very interesting idiomatic expression. It means not available to a great extent. That means it is available but very rare. On a very rare occasion it is available. Now if I just look over the options, if I just write the word white elephant, it means rarely rare. That means very much rare. Now if I just look over the option very huge. Very huge means very mammoth, very gigantic, very ample, very big. Very huge means mammoth, or you can say gigantic, etc. Extremely rare, already told you. Expensive means costly, that is very valuable, very precious. If I just look over the options for synonyms, expensive means costly, or you can say precious, Precious. So this is the option. Useful material means, that means the material that is very essential or something like that, that is very beneficial, that can be used, something like that. Now look over the first question, a white elephant. So very huge cannot be the answer, expensive cannot be the answer, even useful material cannot be the answer. A white elephant means not available to a great extent, or available very, or you can say to a very little or paltry extent. So that means rarely rare, something like this means the answer is here. Now if I just look over the next question, in the red. Now what is the meaning of in the red? The company is in the red. This means the company is running on losses, not on profit. So here making money, losses. Now what is the meaning of liquidating? Liquidating means the company or something like that is on the brink of elimination, about to lose its existence. If I just go for the word liquidating, it means about to lose existence or about to eliminate. There are many options. Okay. In danger. Now what can be the synonym for in danger? We can easily say at stake. Even we can say in jeopardy. Okay. Now if I just look over the question again, in the red, suppose some company is in the red, that means some company is running on losses. So here the answer is losing money or something like running on losses. Now if I just look over the next question, trumped up. He trumped up a nice story to hide his fault. Now what is the meaning of trumped up? Trumped up means That means made a false story or represented a false story or fictitious story or fake story. So if I just look over the option prompt up, if I just drop the prompt up means make a false story, make a fake or false or fictitious, or you can say concocted, even you can say fabricated story, not real at all. You all know the meaning of translated, there is no need to explain its meaning. Now what is the meaning of proselytized? Proselytized means change of religion or conversion of religions. If I just look over this option proselytized, I am just writing it in the present form. Proselytized. It means conversion of religion. Conversion means change. Okay. Now if I just look over the option concocted, concocted means not real, something very false. Copied, you all know the meaning of copied. Now if I just go for this option concocted, there is another idiomatic phrase for concocted. Then what can be the idiomatic phrase for concocted? Concocted can be categorized in this way. If I just go for the word concocted, it means coke and bull story. Coke and bull story. It's an idiom. It's an idiom, idiomatic phrase. Now look over the option. You are asked to find out the meanings of the idiom trumped up. So here translated, proselytized, copied will not be the answer. Rather concocted will be the answer. Now if I just look over the next question, a man in the street. A man in the street means very ordinary man, rank and file. So ordinary man, illiterate man, stranger or a famous one. If I just look over the answer, a man in the street, what can be the idiomatic synonym for a man in the street? A man in the street, you can say rank and file. It's a very nice word. Okay. So an ordinary man or illiterate means the person is not educated at all or lacking the knowledge of ABC. Stranger means very unknown person. A famous, you all know the meaning of famous. So here the answer is an ordinary man. Now if I just look over the last question, a man of letters, that means you can say an erudite person, a very scholar person, a man of great knowledge. If I just go for the option, a man of letters, it means an erudite person. Even you can say, instead of it, what you can say? A pedantic person. A pedantic, P-E-D-A-N-T-I-C, a pedantic person. Even you can say a man of great knowledge. Okay, knowledge or wisdom. Now look over the option, a man of letters. Educated may be. Educated does not mean that he is an erudite. Educated, you may be educated. This does not mean you are a scholar. Scum. Now what is the meaning of scum? If I just look over the option scum, scum means a notorious person. Or you can say hooligan. There are many words, and the last option is noun. So here Educated will not be the exact answer. Scholar can be the answer. A scholar means a man of great knowledge. So here the answer is scholar. Now if I look over the overall question answer series, a white elephant means extremely rare, so the option is B. In the red means losing money or running on losses, that means losing money, the option is B. Trumped up means concocted story, mythical story, fabricated story, cock and bull story, fake story, false story, unreal stories, imaginary story. So it means this one. A man in the street means very ordinary man, rank and file, Tom, Dick and Harry, you can say. It's a very nice word. So the answer is this. A man of letters already told, a man is scholar. So here I can also write another word for a man in the street. I have just forgotten the word. Now it has come to my mind. I am just going to write. There is another very nice idiomatic phrase for the word a man in the street. It means Tom, Dick and Harry. It is also an idiom. It is also an idiom. Okay. So this is my short class on idiomatic expression for your upcoming competitive exams like SSC, CGL, CPO, PSC, etc. etc. So if you think my video or my class is useful to all of you, you can share my video with the person needed most. So kindly keep waiting for my next class. Till then, have a very good day.